Hi, Lipia here again, and this week I've been learning this hymn called Lord Whose Love Through Humble Service. Again, a beautiful hymn in the key of C, and you're going to need 6 chords. The standard C major, F major, G, A minor, D minor, and E minor. Now let's play through the first verse once through. So this hymn is in a slow triple time, so we'll be using a slightly different strumming pattern, which goes something like this. Lord, whose love through humble service bore the weight of human need, who upon the cross forsaken offered mercy's perfect deed. We your servants bring the worship, not a voice alone but heart, consecrating to your purpose every gift that you impart. Now grab your song sheets and we're going to play through all 4 verses once through. Lord, whose love through humble service bore the weight of human need, who upon the cross forsaken offered mercy's perfect deed. We your servants bring the worship, not a voice alone but heart, consecrating to your purpose every gift that you impart. Still your children wander homeless, still the hungry cry for bread, still the captives long for freedom, still in grief we mourn our dead. As, O Lord, your deep compassion that was Lord who's loved through humble service. Again, beautiful hymn. The jump on the third line from A minor to E minor is a little bit tricky. Again, but I think with some practice you should be fine. The strumming pattern too is a little bit tricky as well, because it's 16 notes, which are a little bit more tricky. So try maybe, if that's too difficult, you can just go with, just go with down, 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 up, down, down, up. Okay, so that might be a bit easier to start with. So I hope you enjoyed learning this hymn as much as I did, and it certainly speaks to me. So see you next time.